I have a question for you. Is your big, lovely family looking for the new home? Are you hunting for business opportunity? Maybe investing for a spacious boutique guest house? I have a perfect place for you in a beautiful, tranquil area of Pembroke. This property has a positive family vibes throughout all corner, and all of it just for 1.5 million. "650 square meters bursting with opportunity for you." Let's go through this idyllic house together. On entering the house, all you can say is, wow! Such a beautiful pattern with black and cream marble tiles. Big family dining table for 12 people. It can be extended for entertainment or a business meal. On the side of the dining room, you can find spacious, luxury, and well-equipped kitchen, which will inspire your cooking into masterpieces. After the nice meal, you can go to the huge sitting room to relax, to read books, play chess, or entertain. Just off the kitchen, the property is complemented with lovely space area which can be used in the morning for breakfast and in the evening for barbecue. At the semi-basement level, you can find 164 square meters where you can park 4 to 5 cars and store your belongings in the big storage room. It is also interconnected to your property. This beautiful mahogany balustrade warms up the marble stairs throughout whole terraced house. On the first floor, you can find 4 spacious double bedrooms. Yet each room has its own special character. In my opinion, one of these, it is a fairy tale room with its own balcony. It is the room for family princess where she can dream of her Prince Charming, or else she can study or work in the interconnecting study room. In 2013, the previous owners constructed 2 additional floors. Going up to the second floor, you will find another 3 double bedrooms. The master bedroom is simply spectacular. It has modern and beautiful en-suite. It also has its own balcony and a sitting area. As I mentioned before, each room holds its own special feature, and you must visit the property to appreciate their characteristics. I think that the most exciting part of this terrace house is the roof. It's the perfect chill-out and entertainment space. Here, you'll find another fully equipped kitchen and large dining area. But the selling point of this is definitely the beautiful countryside on one side and the clear blue Mediterranean Sea on the other. You will also surely enjoy using the large terrace for sunbathing and then for cocktails during the cool summer evenings. Well, and very last but not least for today, remember, our site is closer to deal. Contact me. I am waiting for your questions and inquiries. And please keep safe. Ciao.